Hello! Today Pi is recorded with another camera. It could have been recorded with some extra lighting too, but today I'll just do the camera by itself. It has a monitor screen above the lens, and I'm not quite sure if it looks good that I'm just looking directly at myself, or if I should be looking into the viewfinder or into a lens. But anywho, that doesn't matter, because today I'm able to see myself, and the camera knows where I am. It's quite awesome. But today Pi is 3.15926543384197169399375010758207816 and 4.